Hi everyone, my name is Amy and this is Sunday Crafternoons. So today we are going to be making DIY peanut butter bird feeders. The list is really simple today. So all we're going to need is craft roll. You're going to need some yarn or string. You're going to need some peanut butter or any type of peanut butter alternative, so almond butter, anything that you might have lying around, and wild bird food. All right, so let's get started. What we want to do first is just spread the peanut butter on our craft roll. Ideally, you're going to want to use a butter knife, but we don't have a butter knife, so we are making do with a spoon. And it doesn't necessarily have to be a thick layer, but you do want something nice enough for the seeds to stick on. Bird feeders are good for any time of the year, but winter is a great time because food is scarce and our little friends might be extra hungry, which is why we put peanut butter on here. Gives them a little bit of fat to keep them going. And I know you're thinking it might get a little bit messy, but if you put both of your fingers into the craft tube, you'll be all right. Here we go. We're almost all the way finished with this. I just flung some peanut butter on myself. All right. That looks pretty good. Okay, gonna keep our space clean. Now to make sure that you don't get bird seed all over, you could put it in a plate or a bowl. And what you're gonna wanna do is just lay your toilet paper roll down and roll and press all of that bird seed right on to the craft roll. Okay. So when you're finished, it should look something like this. Now once again, if you don't really want it to get on your fingers, just slide your fingers in the craft roll. And that looks pretty good. So I have already pre-cut some yarn. If you don't have any yarn or string at your home, that's okay. You could just take the roll and put it on a tree branch, just like it is. But if you want it to hang, just slide that ribbon through. Let's see if I can get it without making a mess of myself. There we go. And tie it off. That is our bird feeder. And you will have some very, very grateful birds. Thank you for joining us. you.